Hello guys, my name is Tigran Ter-Karapetynats and I am the creator of this course. In this short video I will give you an overview of what we are going to learn. In this course we are going to set up our first simple test automation framework with Java and RestAssured with minimum set of tools. We will use Gradle as a build tool, Java as a programming language, JUnit as a test runner, and RestAssured as a tool to interact with API via code. We are going to learn this topic from scratch to advanced level. At the beginning of the course, you will understand what API and web services are. Then we will learn different API types and discuss REST API architecture in more details. Finishing the theoretical part, we will cover understanding of HTTP methods and status codes. After that, in the practical part, we will install Postman on our computer and proceed with our Trello account setup for educational purposes. Having done that, we will have our environment up and running for the future work. The following part will be to set up a simple Java application with the help of RestAssured. It will just ping Trello's base URL via code and print the request and response into console. Our next step will be learning how to test each of the most frequently used HTTP methods with the help of this library. We will check everything from HTTP status codes in response to the JSON schema validation in the response body. After that, we will be ready to discover how to perform validation testing of RESTful endpoints. We will create our test automation framework with RestAssured step by step. Each lecture with HTTP method testing in Postman will be following with a practical coding example. Each practical coding example means that all the interactions with Postman will be duplicated as Java code in RestAssured. Gradually, we will have a big test automation framework set up and ready for Trello's API health checks. This course will have two bonus parts. The first one will be to create an automated test inside Postman, given all the required info you may need for that. The second one will be to run off your automation tests via command line. With the achieved architecture, you can set up your own test framework and run your regression tests on the daily basis. And what is extremely important regarding this course is that you will get tons of code examples. So, you could use them in your project or during the learning. All the examples are made on the basis of real-life cases of web application API testing. There are no abstract examples from books that just don't help to understand the topic. This course is based on real-life cases that will help you to learn the right things in the right way. Enough talks. Let's start our course. See you in the next lesson.